What's up? I don't know if it's gonna be a video because I don't feel like holding my phone. But what's up, YouTube? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for another video. What's up, guys? I'm gonna start off my day. I am currently in the doctor's office. I currently have the lovely support of my mom here today with me. I've been going to therapy for the last, I would say, 5 to 6 weeks. It's finally over. I'm so happy. I was sitting up, guys, but I decided to lay down because my neck and back was hurting. So that's how I ended up in this position. I haven't made a video in a while, but now my butt hurt. Hold on, y'all. Cut. Okay. Labrina. She don't want to say that. Anyways. Labrina. Don't say nothing about my issues. You know, sometimes when you're rushing doctor's appointments, things goes like that, okay? Don't. My mother either did a little chat, and then I had a little chat. So, I don't know how long I'm gonna be waiting for my doctor to come in. But this is me. This is my first move of the day. I got a couple things to do today. And I'm just gonna be bringing you guys along, so stay tuned.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotion. want the perfection. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. I wish I could paint our love, these moments in vibrant. You are like sunshine, gunplay, sunshine, pillow talk, sunshine, sweet dreams, turning.
Okay, guys. I know this video may be all over the place. I ask you guys to please forgive me. I know I haven't vlogged in a while for you guys. Forgive me for that as well. But I'm going to be coming back with more content than ever. I've been having some personal things going on that I haven't been sharing with you guys. I recently got in a wreck. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about that later. But I've been doing some shopping, as you guys can see in my backseat. You may see little clips of that in this video as well. I don't really know what all this video is going to be about, but I'm going to do my best to bring it together for you guys so you guys can, have a good quality video. Please forgive me for my inconsistencies, but just know I have been thinking about putting out more videos and more content. I just haven't forgot about you guys. I actually love doing content, especially vlogging. It's one of my favorite things. It's one of the things that I started doing. But I've been having so many personal things going on that I obviously can't control. No one is perfect. And of course, life is not perfect. But I want you guys to be patient with me and forgive me. But as I said, I don't know what all this video is going to detail. So, stay along. Y'all, it is so hot outside. I think yesterday was like the first day of fall. It is so hot. I repeat, it is so hot. I do not know what to do. But guys, I was really wanting to make this video on a serious note. really reaching out to those, just speaking about mental health, staying positive, wishing the best for those. Just speaking blessings and prosperity over everyone, the people that listen to my videos. Speaking life and growth into anyone that listens to my videos. Strength, understanding, wisdom, power, and knowledge, and some things that I pray for when I do get the time to pray and focus. I would like for everyone to stay grounded, everyone to stay focused, because those are the things that are going to matter. And those are things that are important in life. Bad days don't last forever. But there is a God. And he's up high. And he does look low. But I would like for people to start asking me questions down below in the comments. I appreciate the love that I've been getting on my reels, but I appreciate if I would start getting that same activity on my videos. It'll be well appreciated if I was, but I know I need to exude the same energy, put out the same type of content back to back. But I'm grateful, and I'm also thankful my subscribers are going up. Thankful for the new subscribers that I have. I always appreciate that. We're still on a goal. How many subscribers we're trying to get? Let's say 5K. We're still on a goal, trying to reach 5K. I am going to start going live for you guys. Started to pick up the energy. Started to pick up the movement. Started doing more content with my nieces and nephew, more pranks and challenges, different things like that. More kid friendly. So, more stuff. It'll be more fun. And overall, I think I've been doing YouTube probably almost a year now. I appreciate you guys for keeping up with me on my journey. Really, really do. And at this point, I'm just grateful. I'm grateful even to put out a video. I'm grateful even to have something to talk about with you all, to be in the right headspace to put out the energy. I'm grateful and I'm thankful. I had a doctor's appointment today, and as you guys gonna see, I had a doctor's appointment previously. Another clip you guys are going to see as well, before this clip that I went to the doctor. You guys are gonna see me where I went out to the restaurant. I had a great time. I had some good Korean food. I really enjoyed it for the first time. Yep. And I look forward to going back. So, as I always say, I need you guys to help me out with ideas. I need you guys to help me become consistent. And I want to love on you guys as you guys love on me as well. Yeah, I'm going to start doing some facial videos with y'all, all that good stuff. And as I say, I'm just recovering from a wreck. So guys, be patient with me and always stay tuned. As I always say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for being a part of the family. Peace.